Due to its anticipated slew of intriguing updates, the Samsung Galaxy S25 is creating a lot of buzz. This flagship device's much-awaited Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip is one of its most notable features. There are worries that the price of this new chip, which promises lightning-fast performance, will be high. Compared to their predecessors, which used the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, the price of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 model phones might rise significantly, said a well-known leaker. The price of flagship smartphones like the Galaxy S25 and OnePlus 13 in the next year has been speculated about as a result of this report. The source of the information is a post made by Digital Chat Station on the Chinese social media platform Weibo, claiming that the price of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, model number SM8750, will increase significantly. In fact, the price increase is allegedly so great that one phone maker has reportedly cancelled their Pro model phone for this year, though it is unclear who made the cancellation. Although the precise amount of the price rise is yet unclear, developers are concerned about this development. Whether developers will have to make other compromises to keep the price range the same, such as downgrading certain features or foregoing upgrades to the phone's camera, display, or storage capacity, is a major question. Alternatively, developers may choose to stick with the current Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip or even the newer, less powerful Snapdragon 8s Gen 3 chip, which would mean giving up excellent performance for affordability. The Galaxy S24 series launched the Galaxy I package of features despite very little hardware advancements. As an alternative, they might concentrate on improving the software capabilities of their handsets to make up for any cost-cutting measures in hardware. While the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip may come with a higher price tag, it is rumored to be one of the most powerful chips ever produced. Reports suggest that it will boast a massive boost in clock speed, promising an exceptional user experience. On the other hand, Samsung may choose to address the rising costs by promoting more models equipped with its improved Exynos chip, thereby reducing global expenses. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.